But two guys, the names aren't super important, but in fairness to their important discovery, Ramón and Cajal, a Spaniard.
Welcome to Power Up. Today we are diving into the incredible world of the nervous system, a complex and fascinating network that influences every aspect of our lives, from the way we think and move to how we experience pain and even fight off infections. The nervous system is at the heart of it all. Join us as we explore the continuous loop of communication that powers our bodies, the discovery of neurons that revolutionized our understanding of the brain, and the crucial role of the synapses in connecting our entire nervous system. Get ready to discover how this flow of electricity shapes who we are. Regarding of the topic, we follow Andrew Huberman, because in this section, he is a very specialist person.
In fact, we really can't even separate them. It's one continuous loop. You may have heard of something called a Mobius strip. A Mobius strip is almost like one of these impossible figures that no matter which angle you look at it from, you can't tell where it starts and where it ends. And that's really how your nervous system is built.
Okay, so the video explores the nervous system as a continuous loop of communication, comparing it to a Mobius strip. A Mobius strip is a surface with only one side and one edge, meaning it's impossible to determine where it begins or ends. This comparison highlights the idea that the nervous system operates in a similarly seamless and interconnected way. In the nervous system, signals are constantly being sent and received between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. This process is ongoing and cyclical, meaning there is no clear starting or ending point. Just like a Mobius strip, the brain sends signals to the body to initiate movement or respond to stimuli, and the body sends feedback to the brain about the status of those actions or changes in the environment. This creates a loop of communication that is crucial for maintaining homeostasis, coordinating movements, and processing information. The analogy of the Mobius strip emphasizes the complexity and interconnectedness of the nervous system, suggesting that it functions as a continuous, dynamic process rather than as isolated one-way communication.
That's the structure that allows you to, for instance, deploy immune cells, to release cells that will go kill infection when you're in the presence of infection. Most people just think about that as a function of the immune system.
The next, the unsung hero of immune response, suggests that the video part focuses on how the nervous system plays a crucial, yet often overlooked, role in the body's immune response. The description explains that the nervous system is responsible for coordinating various aspects of the immune response, such as deploying immune cells to fight infections. While the immune system is traditionally recognized for its role in defending the body against pathogens, this part highlights the nervous system's involvement in that process. When the body encounters an infection, the nervous system doesn't just passively relay information, it actively participates in managing the immune response. For instance, the nervous system can detect the presence of pathogens and signals the release of immune cells to the affected area. These immune cells then work to neutralize or destroy the invading pathogens. This connection between the nervous system and the immune system illustrates how the body's systems are deeply interconnected. The nervous system, often associated with controlling movements, thoughts, and sensation, also plays a critical role in maintaining overall health by ensuring that the immune system responds efficiently to threats. This makes it the unsung hero of immune responses, as its contributes are essential but frequently go unnoticed.
So really the way to think about your body and your thoughts and your mind is that you are a flow of electricity, right? There's nothing mystical about this. You're a flow of electricity between these different nerve cells, and depending on which nerve cells are active, you might be lifting your arm or lowering your arm.
In this part, generally focuses on the fundamental role of electrical signal in the functioning of the body and mind. The description highlights that the human body and mind operate through electrical impulses that travel between nerve cells or neurons. This flow of electricity is what allows us to think, move, and react to our environment. There's nothing mystical about it. It is a scientifically understood process. When you think, move your arm, or perform any action, it's because of these electrical signals. For example, if you decide to lift your arm, specific nerve cells in your brain send electrical impulses down through your nervous system to the muscles in your arm, telling them to contract. Conversely, if you decide to lower your arm, a different set of neurons becomes active, sending new signals that result in the opposite direction. This explanation emphasizes that our thoughts and actions are deeply rooted in the electrical activity of the nervous system, making us essentially a flow of electricity in a very literal sense. It underscores the idea that our bodies and minds are driven by complex networks of electrical communication, which govern everything from our movements to our thoughts. Thanks for watching. I hope this journey into the nervous system has sparked your curiosity and deepened your understanding of just how vital this system is to our daily lives. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Power Up for more insights into the amazing science behind your body and mind. And remember, whether it's a stomach ache or a thought, your nervous system is always at work, shaping your experience of the world. Stay tuned for more exciting content and keep powering up your knowledge.